A jacket that you love so much that you thought was too expensive?
You have done enough.
I'm going to wake up early and go get it for you.
No, you don't have... Get it in black, not brown.
Oh, your cake is ready.
That's like that old saying, have sex, eat some cake. Hey, Mom. Hey, kid. Just getting a soda.
Who the hell are you?
Joey. How are you doing? No. How you doing? What? How you doing? There's the call. Oh, with the call. Look, I gotta apologize on behalf of Carl. Who the hell is Carl? Oh, did I not mention? Carl is a guy I hired to be my identical twin for a medical research project. You know, sometimes the good ideas are just right in front of you, aren't they? I know it sounds crazy, but I think it might work, you know, but the only problem is Carl's acting.
The only problem?
Yeah, he's the reason I didn't get that big Minute Maid commercial a couple of years ago, remember? We were supposed to be brothers, but he messed it up. Hey, can I get a little piece of that cake? Pizza! We like pizza! Get out!
Tailcap? Yeah. Alex Trebek? Oh, of course. Chuck Woolery. See, definitely, TV, you will not find a single game show host whose ass I cannot kick.
It's not something you are, it's something you have!
Say it!
No, I can easily get out of this, but there's a chance you can get very, very hurt! All right, Carl, we're next. Now remember, what is this not going to be?
Another Minute Maid fiasco.
That's right. What are you not going to do?
I'm not going to talk because...
That's... Damn it, Carl! Have the next one, please. Thank you. Joey and Tony Triviani. That's us. But, this is a study for identical twins. That's right. $2,000. But you're not identical twins. Damn it, Carl! Oh, my good God.
Hey, continuing the countdown of your favorite meal. Tonight, number 3. Macaroni and cheese with cut-up hot dogs.
Look, you have done enough, okay? You have to stop this now.
I will, but not tonight. For dinner music, I thought you could listen to that tape that you made me.
Oh, the mixtape. When I'm awfully low.
The way you look tonight is on here. Dance with me.
I will feel a glow just